it's MADSTAR here, back again with another math video. Today we'll be seeing how to draw this quadratic equation on a graph. So the first thing you want to see when you're drawing a quadratic equation is the roots of the equation. So that's the x-intercepts. So a graph would look like this, and here is one intercept, and here is the other intercept. So these are the roots. So in order to find the roots, you'll have to factorize this equation. So this will be equal to y is equal to brackets x minus 5 brackets x minus 1. So if you multiply these two brackets, you should get x squared minus 6x plus 5. And now, since the roots lie on 0, when x is 0, you will find this. So all you'll have to do is switch this y value with 0. 0 is equal to x minus 5, which is x is equal to 5, or, let me write this, 0 is equal to x minus 1. You bring the 1 to the other side, it will be x is equal to 1. So these are the options: x minus 1, plus 1, and x is equal to 5. So now what we can do is we can go and plot this on our graph. So the first part would be here, since this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is where our parabola will intercept the x-axis. Now the next thing we need to see is where is the line of symmetry. So the line of symmetry is always in between the two roots. So that will be 3, since 3 is in the middle of 1 and 5. So we'll just draw a dotted line. Sorry, I think I should use a different color to make it a little bit more clear. There we go. And now we need to see where our vertex will lie. So where will our vertex be? So in order to find our vertex, what we'll have to do is switch our y with a 3, since we know the line of symmetry is 3. So let's quickly separate this from that and write y is x equal to 3. So now we'll just switch our whole equation here with a 3. So we'll have equals to 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 5 and equals, so 3 squared is 9, minus 6 times 3 is negative 18 plus 5, and that should equal negative 4. So now we know that our vertex is equal to negative 4. Since our line of symmetry lies at 3, we will substitute the x with a 3. So let's go there and plot our vertex. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where our vertex will be. And now what we need to know is where the graph will meet the y-intercept. So it's almost the same thing. Let me draw this. But we need to switch the y with a 0 because it's at the origin and we want to know where it will intercept if x is 0. So again, we can just do y brackets x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, we do 0 squared minus 6 times 0 plus 5. So this is equal to 5. Therefore, the y-intercept is 5. So let's go and connect this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our graph, and I'm going to try make a curve. It might not be as good, but there we go. It's not that good. It's more like a line, but you get what I mean. And that's basically our graph. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.